Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will crochet the puffs for your buttons. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then I'm going to come over here, last stitch, going to make slip knot that way, pull this yarn to tighten a bit. Then I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, pull through, yarn over. So this is going to be twice, yarn over, third time, yarn over, the fourth time, yarn over, the fifth time, yarn over, the sixth time. Then going to yarn over, pull through all the yarn and pull through this loop, a slip knot. Then going to make chain of 1, then going to yarn over in the same center. You're going to make loops of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, yarn over, pull through all loops, then pull through here, make a slip knot, then chain 1, yarn over, go to the center, yarn over, second time, yarn over, third time, yarn over, the fourth time, yarn over, fifth time, and 6. You can see, pull through all loops, then slip knot, chain 1, yarn over again, the same space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See, pull through now all the loops, slip knot, chain 1, yarn over in the same loop, yarn over 1, twice, third time, fourth time, fifth time, and sixth time. Pull through all loops, slip knot, chain 1. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to make 8 of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 more, yarn over once, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, and sixth time. You can see, pull through, then pull through this loop here, chain 1, yarn over again, same center, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull through and pull through this loop, then yarn over, and 6. Pull through all yarn and pull through this loop. I'm going to make a slip knot, then from here we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have our 8th one here. So we're going to come over here in the last stitch, pull through, make a slip knot, then we're going to come here, right here in the top of this stitch here, and make another slip knot, so as you can see, this is how it's supposed to look like. So the basic is you're going to chain 7, then you're going to slip knot, and then you're going to work in the center of this space here. You're going to round over your yarn, insert the hook in the center, you'll make 6 loops, and then you'll yarn over, pull through all loops, make chain of 1, but before you slip knot, then you make chain of 1, and you continue in the same sequence. So you can use this for your puff buttonholes or for any decoration you want. But this is it for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, see you next time in my video. Bye bye.